Everything was fine before Loki showed up! We almost can—
This fight is mine.
But if I could just...
Take Atreus and the mask and do not look back. My son trusts you, so I trust you.
Get away from her!
Dad, wait!
I am done with you and your son! No more fucking games! And this time, I'm allowed to kill you.
We do not need to do this!
We do! It's what we are! That it? I can take it! Can you? It won't be enough!
Oh, this is a fine mess.
I can take—
Mother, no! What the All-Father made you! You can choose me!
It won't be enough!
Come on, Kratos! Off your back!
That it?
Get up, brother! Prove it and stop it!
Fucking don't! Poison time! That it? Can you? Fight me!
Brother, get up! Brother!
Still won't be me!
Thor! This isn't what through!
Keep your name out of your damn mouth! Everything was fine before Loki showed up! He almost convinced me! I seem believing things could change!
Thor, listen to me!
You have nothing I want to hear!
Odin does not have—
Shut the fuck up! Come on!
What are you waiting for? Your daughter. My son calls her friend. If you try to hurt her... I would not. Don't you know what I've done? Yes! But what will you do now? We don't change. Destroy us! No more. No more. For the sake of our children. We must be better.
Why isn't he dead? Are you talking? Who told you to do that? You don't talk! You don't think! I think, you kill! It's a simple fucking concept!
Sif was right about you. I just didn't want to see it.
What is this? Are you broken? I am your father. Take the hammer and kill who I tell you to kill!
No.
I didn't want this. I did not want this. Dude, this was all their fault. They've done this to us, to our family. Looks like I gotta do everything around here.
Your own son? You blamed us!